What's up, guys? My name is David Kuan and we are back. I wanted to show you what I've been up to and of my progress. So I decided to get a monitor for my GH5, the Ninja V. This is the first time I open the box. Nothing like opening a brand new box. It's so exciting. So here's the monitor. You guys can see. Here's the monitor. You got two HDMI in and out, and you have one for the remote, one for the headphones, and one for the mic line, which I already have a mic. So I also have the battery, and this is where the hard drive is gonna go. So looking beautiful, solid. So I could see the display better when I'm recording. And so we have this. And we're gonna set it up, and then we're gonna record what else I have. So I also ordered a this connectors that's gonna connect to it's gonna connect right to the monitor. It looks really solid, it's really well built, and I like it. So I'm actually loving it. So far so good. So we have this where we're gonna assemble the monitor so we can move it around anywhere we want. Let's go, let's get going, and let's get this done.